Are we good? Did you check?
We gotta go over a little bit.
We gotta go forward.
Double check the math.
Santiago, how much we gotta go forward? Do we want to make a mark of where we are? Yeah. All right. Who's got the marker? So.
No. It shows 17 and 3/4 instead of 18 and 3/4.
They might not have set the post 100% on point.
Okay.
So. We actually got to go. Well, we're 3/4, or we're about an inch in from there, so we're good this way. Yeah, like you said, we just need to go forward like an inch, and we're right there. So let's do it. We just go forward an inch.
I'll check this one or this one.
Yeah,
it was a little further back than that one is. You know what I mean? So I don't know if we should.
Let's see.
Don't want to double check the math.
It's higher too. Not a lot.
Oh, this shit's all killed. Up in the gutter.
So to get the center from there, we gotta. I think we'll bump it. I almost say we leave it where it is.
Close enough. I mean,
I think that if anything, it needs to.
front end, you mean shift over a little bit? How are we sitting over the side beam on that? Let's see.
We're like right there, so check the other side and see. Maybe we just favor it in or out a little bit.
Center of the I-beam.
So the next step in this process, I'll repeat. For our video, I can repeat. Okay. So for the next step in this process, we need to take the axles off. We're going to take the tongue. The trailer tongue is removable, so we're going to take the trailer tongue off. We're going to take the axle off, and we're going to drop this thing about 4 inches from the ground. And so I know I talk kind of fast, so the next step after we get it centered and positioned will be we're going to take the weight off the axles and the tongue, and we're going to remove the tongue from the trailer, and we're going to remove the axle, and then we're going to drop this unit about 4 inches from the ground, and it'll be nice and solid, and our day is done, besides building steps.
Yeah, the wall one was better. Yeah. Okay.
Did you bring your water level?
No.
Okay, I'm just asking. All right, so are we ready? We're good enough?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be okay.
Okay, then let's drop it.
Coming down.
Coming down.
Okay.
It's on the grass somewhere.
Really, we have to do that. Take the tire.
Should we? How do you want to do it?
Take this one out. Take the tire out. No?
Yeah.
Working in that farm. We had those
We got bottle jacks.
bottles, yeah. So we can do both at the same time.
Okay, do we need to cut blocks? I only got 4 landscape blocks. Should we cut more wood blocks?
Okay, we can do this.
All right. I'm going to put a mark in the video so that you guys know where we're at with it. And if you see this later, now I can't get it to work.